What's up, everybody? This is John with John Fair Innovations, bringing you another math lesson. And today I'm going to teach you how to use arithmetic formulas. Now, before I get into the video, if you enjoy it, do make sure you hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment on maybe another math topic you'd like me to tackle. If you really enjoy the video, do make sure you hit that subscribe button because it really does help out the channel. So for those who've already done that, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. So now I've got this new question where it says the 30th number of the sequence is 242, the 32nd number is 258. What is the first number of the sequence? And obviously we know already that it's increasing by 10 and that the A1 was, that it was increasing by 8 and that the A1 was 10. But in this case, we don't know those things, so we would have to solve them. So firstly, what we would have to do is we would have to solve D. So good thing is we've got two values here now, and we can use that to work out what our D value is. We can just work out the relationship between the two. So we know that the 32nd number, so A32 is 258. We know that A30 is 242. And so then what we do is we take our two values, so our 258 and our 242, and we find the difference of those, and we divide that by the difference of the two numbers. So in this case, it's going to be 32 and 30. And that is going to leave us with 16. So 258 divided by 242 is going to leave us with 16, and 32 divided by 30 is 2, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So that's what we got before. But obviously you might not always have that information, so you might not know that. So now that we have that value, now we need to solve the other one. So you can pick either one. You can pick the 30th or the 32nd. For the sake of symmetry today, we'll use A32. So A32 is going to equal 258, and then our n value is simply going to be n. So now what we do is we now plug that into the equation, because what we're doing is we're trying to find the first number in the solution. So we're actually trying to find A1 this time, the first number in the sequence. So when we plug that into our equation, that's going to read as 258 plus A1, a bracket of 32 minus 1, which is simply 31, multiplied by our increasing factor, which is 8. And so that's going to leave us with 258 equals A1 plus 248. And then we simply subtract 248 by both sides to cancel out the 248 to get our A1 isolated on its own. And that's going to leave us with 10 equals A1 plus 0, and obviously anything plus 0 is just itself, so that's going to be 10 equals A1, which again is what we worked out in our, which is what we had originally, so that's correct. Well, there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully that explains how to use arithmetic sequences. If you do have any other math questions, please leave a comment. Otherwise, stay safe, be kind to one another. Well, there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully that explains how to use arithmetic sequences. If you do have any other math questions, please leave a comment. Otherwise, stay safe, be kind to one another, and I'll see you.